What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free Shein credits to purchase any item you want in the app. This method is absolutely safe and free. So if I click on my wallet, as you can see on your screen, I have over $200 worth of credits in my account, which I got for free, by the way. So just open any browser on your device and go to gemtosa.com. It will bring you to this page, and all you simply need to do is scroll down until you find the Shein credits mod, then click on it. It will bring you to this page, which is an exclusive event that has been giving Shein users up to $150 worth of free credits. To receive the free credits, just input your Shein email or username in this box, then click on the Receive Credits button below. It will then begin a search for your account. In order to bind the credits successfully, once the binding process is complete, make sure to click on the Claim Now button to prove you are a human and not a bot, and you will receive the credits in your account instantly.